So, laughter yoga teachers. So when you look back over the week, what's the most important thing you take away from these 5 days together?
Okay, well, I think for me, what it's really reinforced is how laughter brings people together from every different background, and the connectivity and the positivity that comes along with that, and how that actually breaks down so many barriers, real or perceived.
Fantastic. Thank you.
For me, I think it's really helped me to connect back with myself and to put me back on track on the laughter yoga journey that I originally planned 2.5 years ago when I first trained as a leader, and just helped me focus and centre myself and meet some amazing colleagues going forward.
Oh, great. Thank you.
For me, it was to believe more in myself, and then also to not be scared, like with challenges, and continue my laughter path, and also meeting amazing people here. It was great. Yes.
Oh,
Definitely.
thank you. Yeah. Any final things you want to say?